Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It should be Mitchie Like Letcha here with another episode of It's Toys and Things, and today's video is going to focus on opening up this cute Hello Kitty and Friends 16-piece 8-figure minifigure pack, I should say. 8 minifigures. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do in this video, is open up this super cute pack. So let's just dive into the box real quick before we bust it open. I apologize for the glare. It's always a case when you're dealing with clear plastic right there. Alright, so we have 8 Sanrio characters. This is series 1 of these minifigures. They are sweet snacked theme, and if you know anything about me, or if you watch any of my videos on my channel, you know I love anything that is sweet themed, especially toys, dolls. I love it all. They have 8 figures, and they come with 8 accessories. The accessories say they're a mix and match, so you can mix and match with whatever character you like to do. These are the 8 figures in this pack. I don't like to name them or say their names except for the easy ones, because this one, I don't know if I'm saying them ever right, and I don't know if I'm ever saying that one right. But yeah, so anyway, this is made by a company called Jazzwares. Again, it has 16 pieces. That's the front of the box. And let's take a look at the back of the box. So it has artwork of each figure on the back of the box. It says there's 8 styles. Collect them all. I do notice that they don't have one of my favorites, which is Little Twin Stars. Maybe in Series 2, if they make Series 2, that will happen. But absolutely love my cinnamon roll and my melody here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the box. Oh, on the side of the box, you have them kind of like doing a cute pose, a cute selfie, and it's the same on the other side of the box. So let's just go ahead and open this up so I can get rid of this glare here. I have my trusty dandy thin box cutter. These are best for these types of boxes instead of using scissors. They get down to the point a little better, I find, than using chunky scissors. So, there we go. Alright, we're all open here. Let's put box cutter away for a second. And let's get them out. It's kind of a noisy package. Alrighty, let me do it this way. Alrighty. Oh, so let me show you the back of the box here. This is a really, I should take that out of the packaging. This is a really cute background here. Oh, something fell. It was a card. Just put the box down, and I believe the card fell. Oh well. So anyway, this is the back of the box, or the background of the box. I find that very cute. Be good for posing the figures if you want to put them on there and have them pose. It's super cute. Let's put that to the side. And let's dig into... I'm sorry if the camera is shaking a little bit. I kind of am doing a new setup right now, so bear with me while I test it out. Alright, let's get it out of this plastic here. More than likely it's taped. Let's see where it's taped out. Is it taped? No. Yes, no, maybe so. Noisy. Alrighty. Yay! So, out of the box, or out of that noisy plastic, I am trying to get that card there. Sorry about that shaking, guys. Alrighty, so... Oh, okay, so here's what we're looking at here is blind figure packs. Oh, okay, so... Apparently there's some blind figure packs that I should probably be on the lookout for. And then that's what's in there. And then this is showing what's in the 8-figure pack, which what we have right now. Okay, so that's cool. Oh, and there's 2-figure packs here. Okay. Oh, and then there's a 6-figure pack here. Salty snacks, it says, for the 6-figure pack. Okay, so now I see I got a lot to look out for. Sweet and salty for the 2-figure packs, it says. What's the other one says? Sweet and salty for the blonde figure packs as well. Yeah, alright, so that's pretty cool. I know to look out for that while I'm out toy hunting. Alright, so let's get these out. Please don't give me a hard time. Yay. Just pop on out for me. Alrighty, so we have Mrs. Hello Kitty here herself. She's in a pearlescent kind of cherry rosy color. Very cute, and she has, which I'm assuming is a bubble tea, and then they have a peg right here, and then we can just pop that peg in, and that's her little drinky drink. So, oh, sorry guys. So there she is in the back of her. Nice quality in these figures. Not lightweight, not super heavy. Very cute detail in the accessory. I like the pearlescent color on these. So yeah, we're loving it so far. Alright, so there's Miss Hello Kitty there. Let's put her to the side. And let's pop out Kuromi here. Alrighty, so here's Miss Kuromi. And there she is. She's super cute. Really love her. Really love her colors, her purple. Love her skull motif here. She has some ice cream in a fish cup. Looks like a little fish container. Some ice cream with, I'm guessing, is some sprinkles. And then, of course, again, have the peg there so you can just pop it back in her little hand. And there she is. She's enjoying her her ice cream. Soft serve. Very cute. Oh, it says 24 Sanrio there. Made by Jazzwares on the back of their heads. And that's Miss Kuromi. So let's pop out little Mr. Frog here. Karopi, because that is the name. I'm not the best at saying their names. He has, I'm going to take a guess at what he has. Looks like he has some sort of float or milkshake in a mason jar, is what that looks like to me. And then, is this a he or a she? I do not know. I am not so familiar with this character. Very pretty mint green pearlescent color. Detail on the shirt or the dress. I'm not sure what this is. A shirt or a dress. Either which way, it's super cute. And then he can have, or she can have, the little milkshake bag. So that's little Froggy there. Let's go for Pom Pom here. Pom Pom's a big guy. He's super cute with his little French beret. Again, they all have the pearlescent paint on them. And he has a cinnamon roll. And that is very cute. It looks pretty yummy. Again, very nice weight to these. Really liking the quality of these minifigs. Super, super cute. Not too much to him. Other than he's super cute and I want to eat a cinnamon roll. And there's that. So let's open up another Miss Kitty here. Jeez, the noise. There. Really love her color scheme with the mint green and the pink overall dress. She has what looks like to me a Starbucks drink. Some kind of frappa, mocha, something with lots of whipped cream. Cute straw. And chocolate syrup probably in that cup. Yeah, super cute. Yeah, really love them. That's what she looks like on the back there. So that's it for her. Oh, now we're getting to my favorite. Of course, he's going to give me a hard time getting out of here. It's probably his ears. Come on. Ow, that hurt. Alright, so here's a cinnamon roll here. He also has some sort of bubba tea accessory. I probably want to give him the cinnamon roll accessory. Let's change that out real quick. Really cute on the bubba tea accessory. Just like the other one that the Hello Kitty had. Just a different color scheme. So let's switch out their little peggies here. Change up the little accessories. Now that looks so much better to me. Holding the cinnamon roll because he's a cinnamon roll. He's super cute. I love him. And there's his little puff puff. Really, really love this character. Love it. Yep. Alrighty, so let's move on. Let's pop out Mr. Tuxedo Sam here, whose name is easy to pronounce. And let's get him out. Oh, packaging, loud. There we go. Very cute on the colors. Love his hat. Love the blue. The pearlescent on these is cute. He's holding a lemon meringue pie with a heart. Yeah, look at that. Lemon slices right there. That was a cute little detail. See that? Lemon slices inside the pie there. So, I think he'll keep that because it kind of matches him. He's like, yum, 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 yum. Lemon pie. Cute. Alright, we're on our last one. And this one's also a favorite. My Melody. Come on. Ooh. So here she is. She's in her standard colors, which is usually the blue bow and pink hoodie. She has a cute, cute cupcake. Has star motif here, sprinkles, I'm guessing. Very cute cupcake. I think she looks good with this cupcake. There you go. Very cute. Very cute. Hopefully this video turns out good. Let me know if it does down in the comments. It is a new setup. I have a new camera here or a camera setup thingy, whatever you want to call it. This makes it for me to do cool overhead videos and stuff, which I like to do. So let me know if you like the setup. I know the camera focus is probably going in and out. I'll try to get better at that. Let's get rid of that packaging. Alrighty, so let's lay them out here. Melody here, Tuxedo, Cinnamon Roll, Pom Pom. We're going to put Bubba Tea in his hands. My little froggy dude, so cute. And the two kitties. And the beautiful Kuromi. And there they are. I'm really liking this set. This set was $24.99. I got it from Amazon. I did see it in Target once when they first came out, and I was going to buy it, and I didn't, and then they sold out. So, but now I'm going to look for the blind bags. Is that what the box said? Let me go back to the handy dandy link here. Yes, it says blind figure packs. All right, so now I'll have to get some blind figure packs. I already have the 8-figure pack. Obviously, I can go for the 2-figure packs. And then I gotta find the 6-figure pack. So, excuse me, yawn. It is late where I'm at right now. Yeah, so let's see if I can find these out and about while toy hunting. Alright, so that wraps it up for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I really do love the fact that you spent some time with me going through this weird video and watching me pop out the toys that hurt, because they did hurt. Those plastic things are a pain in the butt. Alrighty, so thank you guys so much for watching, and leave a comment down below. Let me know which figure here is your favorite, and if you plan on collecting these yourself. I gonna definitely get the bigger packs. Probably be careful on the blind packs, because unless you know some secret codes or whatever, I don't want to be getting a bunch of doubles and triples and all that good stuff, because that adds up, and money and space, and then you're like looking to get rid of them. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely catch you in the next video. So bye. Oh, there's my little secret handshake. Bye. Why did I say handshake? It's not a freaking handshake, it's a wave. Duh.